If GOG Galaxy is giving you trouble, crashing, freezing, or throwing a connection error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the fastest fixes step by step so you can get back into your games as quickly as possible. These are simple troubleshooting methods that solve a lot of common GOG errors without needing anything complicated. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software and gaming fixes. All right, let's get into it. The first thing you should try is restarting GOG Galaxy. Close the program completely, not just the window, and then open it again. This sounds basic, but it fixes a lot of small glitches instantly. Sometimes the app just gets stuck in the background or fails to load properly, and a fresh restart is all it takes to clear that up. If that doesn't work, the next step is to check your internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi is actually working, and try opening a website in your browser to confirm you're online. A lot of GOG errors are really connection issues in disguise. If your internet is unstable, GOG Galaxy may have trouble signing in, syncing, or loading your library correctly. Now, let's move on to logging out and logging back in again. Open GOG Galaxy and click the Settings gear icon. Then click Settings, go to Manage, and open Login and Security. From there, click Logout All. This can refresh your account session and clear authentication problems that may be causing the error. After logging out, sign back in with your account and see if the issue is gone. If you're still seeing the error, restart your PC. A full restart can clear background issues, reset temporary system problems, and fix stuck processes that may be interfering with GOG Galaxy. Sometimes another app or service is causing the conflict, and rebooting your computer gives everything a clean start. Another very important fix is updating GOG Galaxy. Open the app, go to Settings, and check for updates. Using an older version can lead to more errors, especially if there have been recent changes to the platform or your system. Keeping GOG Galaxy updated helps improve stability and reduces the chances of bugs and connection problems. And finally, if none of that has worked, temporarily disable your VPN or firewall and test GOG Galaxy again. VPNs can sometimes block the connection, and antivirus or firewall software may interfere with the app's access to the internet. Turn them off just long enough to test whether the error goes away, and then turn them back on afterwards for security. If GOG works with them disabled, you'll know the issue is coming from one of those protections. So to quickly recap, restart GOG Galaxy, check your internet, log out and log back in, restart your PC, update the app, and temporarily disable your VPN or firewall if needed. These steps solve many of the most common GOG issues and can save you a lot of time. If this tutorial helped, please hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more quick fixes and software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.